Abra is a Psy Pokemon and requires some practice to draw. Start by making a square for the head like this. Then divide the square in two. In the first third, cross the horizontal and vertical line like this. Then, draw a line extending downward and maintaining continuity with the vertical line. Draw a horizontal line here, then a diagonal line on each side to get a trapezoid shape which allows us to define the proportions of the body. Draw two lines on the right side for the tail. Draw two lines for the feet like this. Here, we'll draw Abra in a seated position with his feet facing downward. Draw two lines around the central vertical line to outline the body. Draw two small cylinders for the legs like this. Draw the arms. Now it's time to add the details. Start with the head. His head looks similar to a fox's. Round the contours. Draw a sharp jaw. Then, two pointed ears here. Abra also has a thick tail like this. Draw both shoulders. Abra's shoulders and chest should be drawn to look like he's wearing armor. In color, Abra is yellow, but the armor is more brown. Continue drawing the details of the arms and legs. His body is similar to an insect's with reinforcements in certain parts. For example, the feet and hands are much thicker, as if he were wearing boots and gloves. The feet have three large claws like this, two in the front and one in the back. There are also three claws for the hands. Since we're drawing him with his hands clasped together, we do not see all of the fingers. Finalize the shoulders, which are rounded. Draw the armor like this. Abra has many small details, which is why he can be more difficult to draw. Draw the muzzle. Then the eyes, represented by two curves extending toward the muzzle. Draw the details of the ears. Now we'll add the finishing touches. Start by outlining the sketch with ink. The outlining process will also help bring out some of the details. Pay attention to the shape of the shoulders, marking the relief inward. Outline the small joints of the fingers. Outline the reliefs for the claws. Outline the ring around the tail, which is brown, unlike the rest of the body. Here, we'll mark the color differences between the breastplate, shoulder armor, and ring around the end of the tail. According to the story, Abra sleeps 18 hours a day, but he stays aware, so he is able to teleport himself when he senses danger. Erase any unnecessary lines to finish your Abra.